Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of CareerKunj and former HR and recruiter at TCS. Friends, we are daily updating students about their queries that we are getting in the comment section of TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring. In this video, I will answer all the queries that we have received in the last video that we uploaded yesterday. If you have any more queries, you can let us know in the comment section of this video. Before we move on to the comment section, just an update that I am organizing a workshop on LinkedIn or this weekend. It is completely free of cost. It is about how to master LinkedIn for career growth, basically optimizing your profile, doing personal branding and how to hunt for jobs. So if you're interested, you can check it out in the post section of our channel. I have posted it today only. It's completely free of cost. So if you are interested, then do register for that. It will definitely help you. Okay, with that, let's move on to the comments part. First, so okay, 6 points. Starting with the first one. Any idea about training location of smart candidate? Chennai or Kochi? Next. Also working location. Working location will depend upon you will depend. Okay. So first your okay, smart candidate, sorry. Ignite candidate is Chennai or Kochi. Smart candidate, the working location, the training location is same. So basically you will get your location as the work location only. Third, is there any interview and exam after training? Exam and assessment is there, so training assessment is there, which is not very difficult. With the working location and training location, we mentioned in the joining letter. So basically, for smart candidate, as far as I know, the working location is same, and working location and training location is same. They join at the same location and get trained for I think 1 month, and then they get the projects there. Next, so what if someone is poor remarks in training, will they terminate? No, it is not that serious that they terminate, and it is not very difficult also to crack the exam. Any idea about when the training will start? Training will start as soon as you join, so it will depend upon your joining. Next, is there any chance to do MCA in smart role? Not in core, oh, no, not in crores. Correspondence is what you're saying. No less chances because I think that was not a part of the description given about the smart role. It is indeed a part of the Ignite role, but not the smart role. So you can do MC after 2 years of completing in TCS. After completion, you can take a break and go for higher education and then come back at a higher salary. So that way you can do, but parallelly if you do, TCS will not consider, but you can do at your own. But it will not be considered by TCS, and then you have to maybe apply outside. Next, the appear for TCS Smart Ignite Hiring Assessment for New Delhi. One of my friends from Kerala told that they have got shortlisting name, but I don't agree. Are the results declared separately for different region, or does this mean I'm not selected? No, so it is different cities are handled by different regions. So they are different talent acquisition regions. So Kerala is a different region and Delhi is a completely different region. And yes, it is handled differently. So different locations schedule interviews on different day. So Kerala has scheduled it. Yours is not scheduled. So whenever it will schedule, you will get the meet provided if you have submitted if you are selected from the written round. Hello sir, can we do an online MC along with TCS job? You can do, but they will not consider it if you want. If you are thinking that you will get a hike in the salary, but they will not consider it. And online degrees are not considered by many other companies also. So better you go for an offline one. Next, your advice on submitting documents early to avoid delays really stood out good. Okay, I don't know. Okay, next. I have uploaded all documents except 6M marks memo. We contacted our college and they said that it will take time to issue. Should I wait to submit it? Because that is something they will take it offline from me. And yeah, you can submit the web copy with the tested one. That is also fine. That is okay. Next. So I get selected in Smart, but many people around me are telling that even though it's a operator, we won't get joining letters from TCS. Is that true? Should we keep trying for the jobs according to you? How many months we get the joining letter? Will it take more than 6 months? No, it is not right. You will definitely get the joining letter. Complete all the formalities like initiating your VGC. And whenever TCS send you some readiness mail or something, do respond to that. Joinings usually comes in the month of August, September, October, July, August, September, October. It usually don't go beyond that. So 6 months, they are very rare chances. Okay, but it cannot be definitely denied as well, because it has happened that joining has come very late as well. But joining has come, that is for sure. So you should not worry that joining will not come. It will come. It might be delayed. Can I know how many of you got the joining letter? Only those who have got can respond. Next. Sir, can we upload documents after getting the joining letter? I have a small doubt. The TCV section for documents options and be disabled and clear some documents only this one is basically you should submit your doc BGC as soon as possible. As of now, you will not have only your final sem mark sheet or the provisional degree for that. Apart from that, all the documents should be there logically. If you don't have passport, you can apply for that and you can upload the application form of passport. Okay, apart from that, all the documents should be there. Regarding your final sem mark sheet, still you submit it, they will take it offline whenever they do your BGC, and they will update from their end. Some documents like medical certificate, non-criminal affidavit, and your NSRE card has to be submitted 15 days before, and it shall be enabled to submit it. Otherwise, they will collect it on the day of joining. Okay, I hope it answered your query. Next. Hi sir, I've applied for Ignite off campus, got the exam, 14 my college, got the interview mail, and I didn't. I also want to know what documents you have to carry to the interview, or the dress code, etc. Question I can expect. Okay, so basically, your college is on form before. That is common practice that TCS do for the colleges which are in touch with them. So that's completely fine. They have informed your college, so they might not. So they should inform you also ideally. But some colleges are very well connected with TCS, so the recruiter shares the shortlisted candidate list with directly with the TP. Anyway, you have got the communication. Now, what documents to carry? I have made a separate video document verification process of TCS. You can check it in our playlist. But yeah, you have to carry your all mark sheets. And regarding questions, then you should check our TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring. I think we have covered that what has been asked in the uh, in the uh, interviews of it hiding. There are two students who have also shared their experience. You can find their video as well. Just to cover in a nutshell, you should be good at the basics of the computer science. One programming language, if it will help you a lot. Be good with the basic concepts of OOPS, SQL, okay, and the latest technologies like AI. Apart from your core subjects, so this is enough for you to crack Ignite. Next, so I have done my semester exam. So I have done my semester exam to semester 4 only. Should I submit the BGC to that's okay, you can submit it now without that as well. That it will be anyway collected later by the background check team whenever they do your BGC. Sir, when the next TCS Smart Hiring will be conducted for the 2025 passed out batch? Because sir, I got rejection mail for 14 minute exam and they said we will apply for any hiring criteria TCS post 90 days. This is requirements. Sir, now what can I do? Can I get another chance to participate now as a 25? Yeah, TCS do this Smarter Ignite hiring multiple times, and I think after 3 months again, there are high chances that they will come with again this hiring, and if it is eligible for 25 pass out batch, which it should be, you can definitely apply. Next, and the BGC have uploaded all the required documents which you need to go submit it. You can have to submit. So when the interview result will declared, which held on June first week, interviews are done. Interviews results are declared. If you're asking about NQT, then it is not declared. For Ignite and Smart Hiring, it is declared. and yeah, for NQT it will come in 1 or 2 weeks. So today I received a rejection mail regarding 14th Feb interview assessment exam. 14th Feb or 14th June. I also attended 14th June assessment. I have been rejected from that one as well. Okay, so basically there's a confusion around 14th Feb and 14th June. 14th Feb mail should not have come by now. I think it is about 14th June. Maybe they have not updated it or corrected it, because 14th June is the most recent one time. Sending the mail for Feb does not make any sense. Maybe it can be a mistake by the person who has sent the mail to correct it, correct the date also. So can't say. Okay, so I think with this we have covered all the comments. If you have any more queries, you can let us know. And do register for the LinkedIn workshop. It will definitely help you. All right, so let us know if you have any more comments. We will answer, make another video to answer them. Till then, thank you so much.